Howdy there folks, this is Lapidary Dave, and right now we're going to be checking out one of my most favorite purchases from the Buena Vista Colorado Gem Show. This beautiful little rock Rascal Model T 6-inch trim saw and wheel. This machine is too cool. I paid $60 for this machine. It did not come with a diamond blade. This is the same little trim saw blade that I was using on my tile saw. She's crooked, but she's got some life left. She's cut hundreds of pieces. Love you there, little trim saw blade. It did not come with a wheel either. This is my little 80 grit Kent's Tools diamond wheel. Cost me like 45 bucks or something. Painted all over it. It's pretty ugly now. But it wasn't the best looking before, at least now we knew it was mine. This motor was not included. This is my Mr. Juicer, I think it is. No. Champion brand. Yeah, I think this went to like a really nice juicer. It says it right there. It's kind of hard to see. Champion juicer or something. Anyway, this motor is fantastic. It's a little overpowered for this machine. So I don't really use the grinding wheel. It is spinning at an appropriate RPM. I'm just not really into how fast it's spinning for the grit wheel that's on there. But it's been working great for sawing. Really good speed. I don't remember the folks that I bought this from. I remember they didn't have much equipment. The Buena Vista Gem Show? Yeah, the Buena Vista Gem Show. It's a pretty small show. I didn't get much from that show, and of course I didn't get enough. But this was definitely one of the buys of the show. A good friend of mine, Luce, and Renee, helped me get this machine. They're such a blessing. They're quality people. I have it attached to this piece of plywood. It's pretty inappropriate. But I was really eager to give it a shot, and in the few months that I've had this, like I said before, I cut hundreds of pieces on it. I did grind some metal that came all the way across, and then this did have a tool rest. I got rid of that so I had better spacing. And I'm thinking I'm going to have to get rid of this right here with an angle grinder to be able to fit a expendable drum. Anyway, I don't know how much this is going for nowadays, but I know $60 was a great deal. I would have paid double that, easily. These two drains were kind of like painted over. I couldn't get them unstuck because I couldn't find a flathead screwdriver. So I actually drilled out this one all the way into this little water reservoir thing. In this one, I actually did find a flathead eventually and cracked it open so I can drain out the water. Let's pop this open. The water literally just sits in there. Check out how bent that blade is. I love it though. I enjoy this water style reservoir instead of having it drip through this guard or something like some other machines. Yeah, really, really simple. I have some vintage Lapidary magazines, and it seems like these were going for about $60 back in the day. Man, what a pleasure. I would probably not have this at my club. I feel like this belt is a little unsafe, and I wouldn't be surprised if this once went to some kind of belt guard. Definitely wouldn't want to wear gloves with this machine. The watering system for this definitely is pretty decent. I'm impatient, and I literally just drilled holes into this guard top thing, and I use a gravity-fed watering system. Just stick a tube in there. Works fine for me, but like I said, I think it spins just a little too fast for my tastes. Definitely within a safe RPM, though. Anyway, let's cut something. I got something great in mind for a future video. Alright folks, I'm back with this beautiful piece of rhodonite that I'm about to make a video on today. I like this colorful spot with all the chalcopyrite or whatever that stuff is in there. I'm going to make a slice or two on the side of the stone. Those are coffee rings. Anyway, let's do it. Alright folks, that's my two cuts there. The first one broke a little prematurely. If you see, it's kind of thins out towards there where it broke off. That's fine. Same thing with this piece, it's kind of normal. If I don't want these little tags, I'll flip the stone around and cut the last little bit from the other end, but why not? For $60, definitely can't complain. If it looks like I was a little awkward in my angle, it was so that I could get you guys a good view of the machine. Yeah, I'm not going to use this. You can take my word for it. It works just fine. What a little cutie. Alright folks, that's my little Rascal Model T trim saw grinder 6-inch machine. One of my most favorite purchases from the Buena Vista Gem Show. Keep an eye out for machines like this at these prices. They're out there, I promise you. I just recently, this year, bought a 2-wheel Rascal for $100. Anyway, I do think I'm going to fabricate some kind of belt guard. I'll weld something up. But I think this is aluminum and I might not be prepared. Anyway, love you folks. This is a quick video. I'm Lapidary Dave, coming at you from the gravel yard. See you soon.